Ashanti region na prosi for ya TSC IGP awokwe de nse ye fa ba bia oni ebenya asem DM fa wa amane ayensa ka kire se eyi prosi for wa santimentem mo o ma ye swoop na sa swoop ne se wo mko geto mmea hodo a awuruka sem koso wi nom tampenom chinimi jam kumono matuo gwasase so ene wutwam kura bonse na ebi na mo hwenem wuni ma de kron so na wo twibi saa ne enkrofo atwam ani ko na mode ne nam ene o ma ye soup na chi nipa mako 30 na saa nipa 30 no afi ne o mo ko hwe wo mo asoso wo ma hwe ahwe hunu se saa enkrofo we ni wo twam we ni asoma no ana we ni oti obi na enutwa na no pafo ana de na regional police public relations officer one kasa de ma santimentem approach for ye ASP Godwin Ahianyo and workers say was so to sana mon say binya say bia na wo mo tete office wo ma didi ame di banku ame na ada wo mo so no so yen so entre yapom na yen kwankwa kire wo bia da binya ne sa na emom no wo mo hwe yen hunu say eniema hodo bi koso eniama hodo bi wo ho abehwe enkrofo ntwam ho se wakwa asori se wakwa ayiesi asoma wo twam ho a wo di hwe sa sanso bi bebo wasom wo wachi no waje bag efiri wonsem na kro no bo no na ekoso papa na omu tie ye no ba bia na eta akoso wo pa aboabo oh jai aboabo ye se efre ba bi Tinka Island eno so ka ho Tinka oh ho jai wo be fa ho akwan fa ho nko ba bia asore kwan na ho edwom kwan na ho ba bia kwan na ho ye je nkrofo ne mam robbery sa ana police force ye ntena ho nyanhwe han sa e ma nkrofo ntata nkrofo ntete nkrofo wa bra yen ye ya ba yen ye hwese asumdwe be ye adwuma nkrofo ho beju wo mo ena ne wo ma ho no so ene aboabo ene Tinka Island ene okọ ho ne nipa 30 ene a kire wo mo no na yewura Godwin Ahianyo say na wo mo ye critical pa wo mo to wo mo bo sansa ade na bi wo ho a wanya careful a ebia nipa akwachi ni woguta sekan woguta bibi woguta wi kura waso a otimi de hwe ani ase na wo no wadi dem ohun prosini a wadi dem emwa manwe mu nkoso ye enti se wo ma chi nipa na afei no wo ma hyase a wo mo ye hwemu am ehunu wo ma ka ho pa ene wo ma ebia bibi nti wo mbeto mu bie
Semu enya complaints every aboabo Tinka Island important say yana akonfo jeje nkrofo phone na de sana eduhu aba mpemu TMA police command no embark on special swoop e wa aboabo ne Tinka Island emu ka say enura area anti-robbery unit any operational unit or headquarters echo 2 areas etumi achinipa bako 30 is screening on money profile on bibia no mu bebo mo bia no yedum beko court akobo no kwadu yes I say so to me enya exhibit ameka say no ma yenya ofru on ho e bia koye foreign pistol enya cartridges enya machetes 15 pair of scissors and ya no twitwa nkofo so quantity of dried leaves suspected to be near him any other tramadol tablets ne assorted mobile phone wooden structures so I no mutiti won be this body don so selling na the bekoso akoswa no kasi ochina echi the beko be it say kotoko from the kotoko ye beko frufu Colombia the beko father subolekesi mu asukwa mayanka boat ase e ho nyina noted criminal dancer you say two nyina say 22 mo asukwa make me read no mess no
wei ayajuma ya santimentem aprosifo abono eno na penipa wa na kasa de
so you have to do something about it. So you have to answer any stupid call that they call. Come on, man, get sense. Get sense. Ghana doesn't belong to you. You benefit from Ghana. You benefit from the Ghana Parliament. Ghana Parliament, you have benefit a lot from Ghana Parliament. Mono mu hobi ma me pre. Mu hobi mo me juma. Mu hobi ye who company bi anamu ye mo juma. Abu du su enyansa. E Parliament isu ku je to abra life a o lady. Or starting, you see deputy minister, from deputy minister to whatever is going. If this person doesn't struggle, he doesn't go under command. And when you see Ghana also you treat him. My young could just talk about my FBI now. She said, "The whole someone can be Piaba." Canada, how much did he have? Just give it and see. Maybe you need to take a fee. In investment, why you need to fee? How many years have been in Parliament from Legon to deputy minister. I just do man or ye. I didn't know to be near Cassia and I'll be capacity. No papa, none of papa of my own, put this stepfather and the channel.
Yeah.
And yan papa.
Yeah.
And yan papa, this stepfather, Timampubi, and I Timampubi. And so these are the people that they talk, that can listen. But I feel very bad about my MPP, John Woodley and his people. I feel very bad about them. Now NDC is leading the rule. MPP is the party in government, but NDC is controlling us. What they tell us to do, that's what we do. We are doing what the NDC tell us to do. Because the capacity woman need a Bamukra and Kamukra the Muano. Capacity of Muniaba, Muano woman. As we name Munawano. I jump on the Pia, Bibody, Pia, because we are NDC for. Or for some popular, Oka, Yajisi, and Coco, or for some popular, some of our Kagu up to today. Nihunia are buying a year. As somebody Nasa put the Sunday Thinker and Fa Utu for. Somebody
microphone say me yes star no and no enya paramount over Ghana because me superstar na me ye na se me nyesika ehe na me ko todan ehe na me ko sidan ehe na me ko ye japade Ghana na se Ghana na me pese me ko ye japade wo ho me pese me ko set up wo ho me pese me ko rest wo ho na dachi ye sie me wo Ghana no se me hwe na se me tena se me star me ye nti ye ntena ona Ghana nse ya na me yo man bofo se me tena se na me ka se said the Bayan Crofobeka so we there, or ye MPP ni, or ye NDC ni, or ye intine, yan support no. Say ye no, and Kwan and Kaya standard media, then me, my program interest is not bigger than Ghana. That is why I roll up my sleeves, put my awards on the side, put my talent music aside, put everything aside and said, listen, enough is enough. The propaganda agenda is enough. The time has come for some people to be bold. We need the men that have the balls to face these stupid NDC propagandist people going on. And that is why I joined this thing. I did not join this thing thinking that I was going to get any money. I didn't join it thinking that I was going to sell merchandise. I didn't join this thinking that I'm going to get people to send me money. God forbid. Because that was never the case. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a billionaire, but I'm okay. You know why? Because I can afford to eat 3 times a day. My kids can afford to eat 3 times a day. My family is good, so I am good. In any case, what sense does it make? Mo amu we brochire na sa baifo we no mo ba ya de amoko support yo mo no. Mesra mo mo ti we mo se mo si dan wo Ghana. Na uchi taxi na bra kwakwa akohome wo Ghana ana meboa. Mo amotete ebrochire amosi anu nti accountability no. Mo person man ye nti na mo say mo person we accountability to the government. Now my question to you say, if what you are doing, it is only inciting people against the government, it's only inciting you to take on the government, it's only inciting people to cause chaos, where the fuck or where the hell are you going to finish that your taxi business and go to Ghana and think you are going to have peace? If corruption is not taken, if corruption is not curbed by digitization, which is saving a lot of people in the foreign and the Western worlds, if it's not in Ghana to make the life of Ghana better, you will go there and you will still fall into that corruption. You will still fall into that problem. Armed robbers will be there because there are no street lights. There are no street cameras. Your life is going to be danger. So if you're a smart person who lives abroad, you should applaud Dr. Bawumia anytime you see him. Because he is trying to bring a brochure to Ghana. Ghana for Jimmy for you to coin na sebi. Ya basa ya mejine. What your brochure who restore our security cameras bobo ho. Edi enti na edi abobo ho. To stop stealing, to stop corruption. Security cameras are not for show unless you are a shallow-minded person who doesn't know how governance works or obi a winnim sebi a membu otie and abeka sankwa siasem no. But to name the essence of security in the country, because if the country has money and there is insecurity, the money goes out of hand. But when the security is good, you always strive. That is why people like Ghanaians should be thanking Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia for championing that digitization. Ministry of Communication for the people should start thanking them, even though we need them to do more. Okwa brochira security. Sister Charity, welcome. Okwa brochira security cameras bobo baby, CCTV bobo baby. Abai na aba Ghana. Monchia me NDC ni government to obetina so ka say media me person de camera bebubo krom so that it can bring down sebi armed robbery and thievery during the night. How which of the NDC government was it Rollins or Atamils or Mahama? Which of